Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the brand new Nintendo Switch OLED 256 gig. So yung SD card natin, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. Serial ending in 1288. Now yung Switch po natin is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. That means that it has our jailbreak mode and yung ating legit mode po. Currently, ina-access natin muna ngayon yung ating jailbreak mode. Kasi automatic na rin naman siya every time that we just turn on normally yung ating Switch. Ang una niya pong ibubuta pa yung ating jailbreak mode first. Now this order is going to Rodriguez Rizal. So ito po yung mga games that we were able to install. Ito lahat yung mga na-install natin for your game request. Ito po yung mga nagkasya. And then sa pakita ko lang first yung buttons na rin. No, na-stress test na rin naman namin yung inyong unit. So this is just for our video demo para mapakita rin po namin sa inyo. Connect lang natin. Sa album folder, dito nyo po pala makikita yung inyong mga homebrew applications. Wireless connectivity. Ayan. So Bluetooth, wireless okay. And then, if you're going to check rin po pala first yung inyong serial number, expect na hindi po ninyo siya makikita dito kasi one of our ban prevention is minamask po natin yung serial number during jailbreak mode access po. So, makikita po ninyo na naka-00 po ang inyong serial, nakamask po siya. You don't need to worry naman kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial once you access your legit mode. So, let's show you yung buttons natin. So left, analog, all good. Then our right, analog, all good. And yung ating buttons. So ZR, ZL, LR, plus minus, ABXY. Then our directional buttons, analog buttons, screenshot, SR, SL ng ating left Joy-Con. And then SR, SL ng ating right Joy-Con. I almost forgot. Yung touchscreen pa pala. So, touchscreen natin. Kita ko lang yung internet. So, balik ko na yung Joy-Con niya sa task. Input ko lang yung password muna lang. One, connected. And let's just delete this one. Meron na rin po palang naka-install dito na temper glass, temper glass para additional protection din sa inyo. Switch tablet. And turn off lang po natin yung ating switch. Now, access naman natin yung ating second boot, which is our legit mode. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait na mga around 10 to 15 seconds, which will be enough time rin po para yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally ma-turned off muna. So let's try turning on. Once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button naman. And para mapunta tayo sa ating Hecate menu option. Now for normal process in accessing our legit mode, we just need to select din po yung ating legit mode SysNAND. But currently dahil hindi pa po stable yung bagong update na lumabas, we need to temporarily follow these few steps muna. Click nyo lang yung close button, choose reboot, and then click on OFW. So sa legit mode natin, dito po tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Because we are currently on our legit mode option, if you are going to check naman po yung inyong album folder, hindi nyo po makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na po kayo mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. And as what I mentioned po before, yung serial po ninyo, dito nyo po makikita pag-access ng inyong legit mode. So serial ending in 1288, which is the same dito sa sticker sa inyong Switch tablet. And then we also have here po sa box, inner box, 1288. Pakita ko lang yung mga inclusions that comes along with the box. Complete accessories, yung ating. Of course, we have yung ating Joy-Con. And then we have our charger, HDMI, side strap, hand grip, and our charging dock. Now, aside from our free tempered glass, we also have included here yung ating freebie pouch na rin po. So, okay na po yung inyong switch unit. Ibaback na lang din namin and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!